welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and for today's video I'm gonna be creating this look. But before we start, I would just like to address this very beautiful wig that I am wearing right now. Okay guys, just a quick review about this wig. This wig is from the brand called Everyday Wigs. So if you guys are interested in getting the same wig as I am wearing right now, and this is what the packaging looks like. Isn't it so pretty? It just says Everyday Wigs, and also it has this very pretty floral pastel patterns which pulls the strings of my heart, and I am so in love with the packaging. And yeah, also the wig is such a good quality. Like,
I'm not saying I'm a pro when it comes to like wigs, because this is like the first ever wig that I have, and seriously guys, I am
so grateful for this one. It's so pretty, the quality is so good, and in person it looks so natural on, which is I'm super happy about. I wish my hair is of this color just because the color is so pretty, and I love that it's long because I really miss my long hair. So yeah, so if you guys wanted to like purchase the same one, or if you're looking for like perfect shop to like buy some wigs, you can check out their website because they really have a lot of different kinds. So yeah, I think you're gonna find whatever it is that you're looking for on their website. So everything will be on the description box below. Make sure to check that out if you guys want to. So yeah, I'll be using the palettes from Facalier on newchick.com. It will be right here, so you can get these palettes there. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. I got two just because everything is so pretty. Like, look at this one. So the first one is Bright Luxe, and this is what the colors looks like. Everything, you guys, is so pigmented. Like, let me show you. Like, I literally dab my fingers right here and it's so pigmented. And this is the eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna be using for this look. If you're interested, everything will also be on the description box below. So just a quick like review on the palettes. I obviously fell in love with these palettes just because everything is so pigmented, and also I love the texture of it. It's like, it's not too powdery, which is what I love when it comes to eyeshadows. And also the colors is so pretty, and this is number 2 in neutrals, and this is my most favorite palette at the moment. I've been using this one almost every day, and the color that I'm so in love with is called Deep Peach, the salmon one, and also the coral pink, which let me just watch for you guys. So this is what the coral pink looks like. It looks so pretty. And yeah, I'm just so in love with this palette. And also they sent me like 30 colors of this, what is this though, long lasting eye and lip liner, and I'm so in love with this just because it's retractable. It's very convenient, and also I love that it's very sheer. And also they sent me this one. This is a like glittered eyeshadow, which I also be using on this look. So you guys keep on, if you guys wanted to see how this product works, then please keep on watching. But basically I'm in love with this. I love glitters, you guys know that. Okay, so I really like this one. And they also sent me 30 colors of this glittered eyeshadow. You can even use this on your nails and as a eyeshadow, but I just like to use it as my eyeshadow, and I've been using this every single day. I am so like, I don't want to run out of these glitters just because it looks so good, and I am so in love with this. And yeah, basically they sent me 30 colors in total, but the one that I've been using the most is this one. It's like rose gold color, and I like to put it on my eye pillow because it just makes your eyes look more alive. And yeah, so that's basically it. I've talked too much, I'm sorry. And yeah, so let's get started.
Before we get on with the big one, I'd like to take this opportunity to level, you might say, to speak for just a second to us, we in the picture business. I, for one, am frankly a little tired of all of the talk. sick about hearing of runaway productions and costs and the star system and how we need government subsidies. I know it and you know it, but we need a good pictures. And the way to get good pictures, as I rather obliquely hinted earlier in the evening, is to get back into the Mona Lisa business. Individual pictures, handmade with love and passion and care by individual picture makers. Not by banks or committees or accountants or lawyers or office boys or boards of directors who are really in the real estate business, but by picture makers. Now tomorrow morning, a freckle-faced boy is going to throw a newspaper on your front lawn, and when you turn to the entertainment section, there will be an ad which reads, "The best picture of the year." We are about to write that ad now, and